Today we're diving into a crucial topic for SMEs expanding into Southeast Asia, protecting your trademark in Indonesia. With over 270 million people and the largest economy in ASEAN, Indonesia is a key market for any growing business. But how do you ensure your brand remains secure? First, let's talk about Indonesia's first-to-file system. Unlike countries like Canada and the United States, where trademark rights are based on the first-to-use, Indonesia grants rights to the first person who files the trademark application. This means the key to protecting your brand is to act quickly and register your trademark as soon as possible. What happens if you delay? The consequences can be severe. You might find yourself unable to register your trademark, or worse, embroiled in costly legal battles. Navigating these legal waters can be daunting. This is where a local lawyer becomes invaluable. A local lawyer can help you register your trademark, negotiate buybacks in cases of hijacking, and challenge bad faith registrations effectively. Their expertise in local legal practices can save you time, money, and significant headaches. At Trustiics, we connect you with top legal experts in international markets. One such expert is Feni Tohir, a practicing lawyer at Tila and Partners law firm in Jakarta, Indonesia. With nearly 25 years of extensive experience in corporate legal services, Feni has successfully closed numerous deals and won cases in both district court and arbitration in Indonesia. Her expertise is invaluable for any SME looking to protect their brand in Indonesia. In conclusion, don't wait until it's too late. Protect your brand in Indonesia by registering your trademark today. For expert legal assistance, find a trusted local lawyer on Trustiics to guide you through the process. For more information and to find a vetted local lawyer, visit Trustiics.com. Protect your business's future in the dynamic Indonesian market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on social media for more valuable insights and updates. See you in the next video.